Whenever you go through the hard times of your life, dive into the depths of it, wrestle with the dark, face the wind, let it tear you, live in it, breathe in it, keep walking until the fire loses its power on you. Lean into the heat, don't turn your back, let it consume the old you, don't rush the healing, let the fire finish its work and then walk off the ashes. Hard times make the best versions. Let the hard times of your life consume the old, frightened, and weak you. Let the storms and the fire of your life turn you into something unbeatable. You know what? When your life is all lame, when you don't have challenges, when you are all lame, when you don't get struggles, when you are not pushed into hard times in your life, you remain that old version only. You are weak, you are frightened, you don't know how the world works. You are nothing. You are not at all strong. You're not strong enough to face the world. You're not strong enough to understand how much betrayal is in this world. You are not capable of that. You don't understand this thing only. But the storms, the bad times, the hard times of your life, first thing they do is reveal the reality of the people and make the bonds break, which I made the video. This video I made yesterday only. So yeah, the hard times, first thing they do that, and the second thing that they do is make you strong. When you go through the hard times of your life, it's like a practical knowledge. You cannot understand, you cannot understand how life works by listening to others. By listening to others, you can set a perspective. But unless and until you will not experience it yourself, you will not understand it. If you face the hard times of your life, they will shape you into something different and they will make you strong enough to handle even worse, even bad situations ahead. When you face bad situations, when you go through the hard times of your life, you understand. You make yourself stronger. Otherwise, you will be crying in this much small problems only. And you know what? Ahead, when you will continuously go through the problems, continuously face the problems, and then ahead one day you will think that okay, back long I was crying for such a little thing, and today I can handle these big things also, these big problems also. That's the way you improve yourself. That's the way you become the best version of yourself. Problems are a very main part of your life because they are the only things that are shaping you into something stronger, because you don't know there are many challenges, many people you are going to face in your life, and not everyone is good like you. So the bad times, the hard times, the bad situations, bad people, bad whatever, bad, anything bad, it can be financial condition, it can be whatever, anything can be bad. Any bad time can shape you into something stronger because you have gone through it and now you are like, you have given exam of it. It's like that. So from the next time when you get such a situation, or from the next time if you get any other bad situation, you will be able to handle it, and that's how life works. Nobody is coming to help you. So from the next time, before thinking that why God always does this to me, why only I am put into all these things, no, nobody cares about your victim mindset. You are not the only one. Everyone has their own problems and everyone has their own life to deal with. Nobody is going to come and help you. You are the only one who can help you, and the God. That's it. So whenever you are pushed into hard times, whenever you are pushed into struggles, it's not useless. It's to transform you. It's to make you better, not anyone else. It's for your own benefit. You have to feel each and every emotion of your bad time. You have to feel each and everything that you are facing. It's important to feel each and every second, each and every minute, and each and every emotion of your hard times and your bad times, so that when you actually heal from it, when you actually heal from all that struggle, it takes time, okay? It takes time. When you actually heal from all those things, you will actually understand that, okay, I have gone through this much. Two things you will understand from this, that how much you are strong, and secondly, who was there with you when you were struggling this much. The fires, the storms of your life, they are a type of healing. They are a different type of healing. They will heal you from the weak version of yourself. They will make you into something stronger. So it's not useless, and you need to feel each and every, which I said in the starting, the phrases which I used in the starting, that was about each and every emotion. That was all about you have to feel each and every second, each and every minute, each and everything about your bad times, so that you are very much experienced for the next times. You will understand how much you are strong and how many people knew that you are struggling this much, but still they chose not to do anything. That's how it works. At last, I just want to say that storms, winds, fires, problems, struggles, circumstances, hard times, bad times, struggling phases is not useless. Nothing are useless. They are all to transform you, make you into something better, to make you know that who is the real person in your life, to make you know that who was just for their own benefit, to make you know how much strong you are, and to make a strong connection with the God. That's it. It's not useless.